And one of the main challenges in the book is to be the best husband in the entire world.
That's right. That's what I'm talking
Every
about.
man should feel like that.
Right.
Every woman should feel like that. Everyone should, because we have people trying to be the best rappers, the best actors, the best teachers, the best doctors, the best lawyers, but no one's trying to be the best husband or the best wife.
Right. Wow. Did y'all hear that? Men.
Women.
I'm tired of being, no, men. I'm tired of being single. Leo. I just need y'all to get on point.
Well, we can start when you're talking about men. My principle, and what I think has had me become so successful in such a short amount of time, is I talk to men, unlike the majority of relationship experts. The majority of relationship experts, counselors, therapists, counselors, and pastors or whatever, usually try to talk to relationships from the standpoint of 50-50. I don't. I challenge men. My principle is that all relationships and all marriages are successful solely. So I teach men how to lead. I teach men how, and by leading, we was talking about earlier, talking about submission and leadership and all those type of things.
Right.
What we're saying is we're challenging men to do better. Like for example, my wife don't worry about this. She just don't. Not that we have a lot of money. That's just not her worry.
Right.
My wife don't worry about the lights, the car break down, I come there, we switch cars. I'm not calling my wife saying, hey, is it the battery? Is it the lights? Is the ignition turning on? None of that stuff.
Right. Yeah, asking all them questions like I'm a mechanic.
and so just things like that I teach men. Take care of your woman at a different level.
Right.
One of the things I had to learn was a lot of times in marriage, and too often in marriages, is that we're treating our spouses what we think they deserve instead of treating them as best as we could. So you get mad at them, that means you're not treating them good now.
Right. Woo! Okay, I didn't think about it like that.
Right. And I teach people like, now I give my wife everything that I have. And that's how I turn my marriage around. Because everything else, you give everything you have.
Right.
I'm sure the radio don't be right every day or whatever.
No
and if something be messed up, the music be bad, you can't hear the mic or whatever. But your mindset is, the show must go on.
Right. Yeah.
And you have a positive attitude, you're going to work to it and all that. But we don't have those same type of things that we apply to our personal life.
Right, exactly.
And so one of the things I developed too for marriage was, and I talk about it in the book, is that I'll usually start from an end result when I'm counseling somebody. And what I mean by end result is your end result here is the show must go on.
Right.
Period. It doesn't matter how it happens, it's going to go on.
Right.